water in the well. Whoever did me for me. Who made the heaven and the sky? Who taught a newborn baby how to cry? Who made the blossoms? Who made the bee? Whoever did made you for me. Who taught the rock how to sing? Who melts the winter into spring? Put the wind in the breeze, fish in the sea. Whoever did me, girl, made you for me. Who made the stars shine so bright? Hey, Lord, oh, who made the moonlight? Made it for the night. Who gave us eyes so that we may see? Whoever did made you for me. Who gave us blessings for the asking? I say, who gave us joy everlasting? Turn the night into day, taught the good to obey. Whoever did made you for me. I wanna know